Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are alright. Before to start the video, I ask to you that firstly subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause a notification of our new videos in your mobile. Coming back to our video, this video is about everything Bachelor in Paradise. Kendall Long and Gio Ambil have said about their split. Not fully over. Kendall Long and Gio Ambil have appeared to stay on good terms following their January 2020 split and at times have even sung each other's praises while trying to move on. The TV personalities met while filming season 5 of Bachelor in Paradise in the summer of 2018. While they broke up on the beach, the twosome quickly reconnected outside of the show and continued to date. Their reunion was featured on the September 2018 BIP final. I feel like the one thing with Gio is that he was just very honest and genuine and puts it all out there with who is he is. He does not really hold back. Long told US Weekly at the show final typing 1 month prior. That was the one thing that I really appreciated on Paradise. I just cracked up so hard. Ambil echoed his then girlfriend's statements, telling US, I like when she gets mad and she puts that face on. We just like being together. It feels right. Things appear to be going well for the graphic designer and the grocery store worker as Ambil relocated to Los Angeles to complete on Dancing with the Stars. The pair announced in 2019 that the single is together less than 1 year into their relationship. However, the former couple surprised Bachelor Nation 9 months later when they revealed they had split. Their breakup had a lot to go with location. Ambil was moving back to Cartigo and Log was just as shocked by it as fans were. If anyone knows me, I am not the person that plans my wedding, and I was literally doing that with Gio. She said on her Down to Date broadcast in February 2020, 1 month after the duo went their separate ways, but something varied about ending something with some that you thought you were going to marry. You almost feel like you have such a better idea of what you are looking for. It worked for Gio last time, he kind of feel of Kendall, and yes, they had their ups and downs, but they were together post show for a new long time. Paradise bartender Well Adam exclusively told US ahead to the August premiere. The show does not work for everybody, but for the select few, it's really beautiful. And so I think my concern with Gio coming back on was it's hard to recreate something like will lighting strike twice. Locke revealed what she really thought about her ex possibly returning to Bachelor in Paradise without her during a May 2021 appearance on the Almost Famous podcast. It would be so hard. I would not want to watch him fall in love with someone else. That would suck so much, she said. I still have a tremendous amount of love for him. The just curious author noted it would be really difficult to see him searching for love with a new woman, adding, I would just be singing up for another heartbreak. The California native also said that her relationship and split from Ambil altered with she looking for in the partner moving forward. That was the relationship I just threw so much trust in and right off the bat was honest and open. It was the first relationship I actually saw potentially turning into a marriage, she continued. That was something very new for me. Okay viewers, this is the latest news which was I talking about. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause a notification of our new videos in your mobile. Okay viewers, be safe in your homes. I will come back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.